Hey guys, welcome back. This is a different video, not the one I originally recorded, but nonetheless, we had this one. So let's get into it. So hey guys, before we begin, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and leave your thoughts on the bottom at the end of the video. It really helps the channel to get some traction, because I'm thinking, this is really valuable for you guys to, just to get your imagination going and creativity. It's very important. So let's get into the video. I worked in my journal still, and this page I decided to leave the quote, "Your doubt creates mountains, your actions move them." I really like that one. That's kind of my motto. I need to take action this year, especially at the beginning of the year. And then on this side, I decided that I liked this photograph in a magazine. Cut it out because it relates to my travel future goals. So I put it in here, and put a quote: Travel brings power, love back into your life. So, which is true. To me anyway. So I cut out a piece of the magazine which was kind of a round shape in the middle, and then there was these rays coming out of this. It was more of it's a very technical magazine cutout. Nonetheless, I really liked it because it fit right over top of this. So what I decided to do is I painted the back this magenta, because it's one of my favorite colors. Then I glued on the piece from the magazine, which is, you can see a little bit the yellow, magenta, green, and a little bit of white, black, maybe yellow. Kind of reminded me of a rainbow, sort of, but round, sort of like centers, makes the quote more important, centers it more. Then I painted over it a little bit, and then I decided to put this doily over top of it to give it more emphasis. And here I painted the background also the magenta color. You can see, then I went over with a little white to kind of calm it down. Put some washi tape around it to give it a frame. Then I found this foot stamps. It's too bad I don't have the other one. I only have one. Maybe I do have the other one, but I just used this. Made footsteps and made them also stamped here and here to kind of ground it. Kind of symbolizes the way, the road to travel. And I painted some clouds, and I did a little bit more. You can't really see it now. Markers. I kind of put some shadows in some places. I did some more markers here to kind of give it more pull into the unknown, to the road, sort of. Yeah, so that was the intention with this one. Now the next page, I painted all black. Actually, it's chalk, so I can actually write with the chalk paint I have on it. And I put this, and I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. It says, "The moment you start to hesitate, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move before your brain stops you." So, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to put it in the middle again or where, somewhere here. I cut it out this old page I had, but I don't like it anymore. I might actually use the fruits I painted and put them not in this one, but in another one. And the other thing I did is I pulled out the old pages that I liked, pulled them off of the original and kind of peel them back off. These are mostly magazine pages. I just painted on top. I really like this one. Love flowers. So I'm going to glue this one on here and make it a cover. Get rid of this date and put something else here. Cover, glue it on. I might paint around it, I'm not sure. I'm sure I'm going to seal it, probably with Mod Podge or acrylic sealant. And then there's more pages here. So there's this other page I pulled out. I really like this one too, and this. So I just glued them back in, basically. Kind of left the frayed edges. I gotta do some more gluing. Use better glue. This one is free for whatever. This one is another one, and this one I glued because I like both the sides and I couldn't rip them apart anymore. So I just glued it in this way. So I had here to write some more for paint. So yeah, I kind of really like the way my journal is shaping up. I'm excited to work in it, that's the most important part. If you don't like working in it, then you don't do it, right? So this way, yeah, it's kind of a hodgepodge, but I really enjoy it. And I can't wait to get some more going this weekend. And hopefully, I won't delete the whole session. There will be a journal flip through sometime soon, probably at the end of January. And yeah, you can join me for that too. So I hope you have an awesome day today and do your journaling. It really helps your mental and physical health. Okay, see you in the next one.